Hi, greetings from Om Namah Shiva. You are welcome to Oil, Gas, Water, Knowledge Hub. We are discussing a lot of points on shutdown activities. Okay, this is today's video. Especially for presentation on fractionation column. There are so many equipments called static equipments, rotary equipments are available, are there in the upstream, downstream, midstream industry. You can call them like this. I'll say there are different types of fractionation columns are in refineries. Normally, we will see in refineries. At different temperatures, fractional distillation uses boiling points for the components in the hydrocarbon mixture of achieve separation. Typically, the mixture is heated until most of the volume is separated. Each quantity of volume will enter in the column with high temperatures. Okay. There are two different types of columns. Out of that, one is tray column. Different types of trays designed and used to hold up the liquid to provide better contact between vapor and liquid. So better separation will take place. Number of trays will be there in one column, maybe approximately 32 trays in the fractionation column. You will find in the refineries industries. You can see these trays only during the time of shutdown, when you have to dismantle all the internals, then only you can see how they are fixed, or during construction period, installation and erection time. Okay. The light media passes upwards through a different types of trays and gradually lowered in temperature. See, trays facilitate contact between the vapor phase and liquid phase, so that mass transfer between two phases can take place. That is about tray column. Now you come back to the next type. It is called packed column, where instead of trays, packings are used to enhance contact between vapor and liquid phases. Clear? See this, how the process will take in different types of temperatures and what are the products come out of at different temperatures. So this is crude oil, which will come from the oil wells, that means midstream. From the midstream, in every refinery, they will store in the crude oil storage tanks. Huge floating type tanks are there, fixed types of tanks are there. So there are many things to discuss from the midstream to upstream, downstream, how it is transferring. Already we have discussed in the previous videos. Now coming to the point, this will come into the air preheater. It is called air preheater, APH. Is this about this air preheater also we have discussed in the previous videos. The air preheater is having radiant shell, convection box, and state. The liquid will come into the convection box. In the convection box, there will be studded coils. It will come in ambient temperature. Okay. Maybe sometimes they heat at degrees 80 degrees Celsius by heating coils, then it will come. It depends on the process requirements and conditions of the storage. So once it enters in the air preheater, first it will come to the air preheater convection box. In the convection box, there will be studded coil. Throughout a studded coil, it will be passes. That means it will be preheated because this heater will be operated above 455 degrees Celsius. So heat transfer will take place initially in the studded coil around 70, 80, 100 degrees Celsius. Then it will enter inside the column, inside the air preheater, there will be a coil will be there. This is chrome coils. Okay, a special material which is chrome coils. Through the chrome coils, the liquid will be heated up to 400 to 450 degrees Celsius, and it will come to the enter into the fractionation column at say 400 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, you will find lubricating oil, paraffin, wax, asphalt. As we discussed in this previous slides, light vapors, light liquids will travel upwards. Heavy density, heavy liquids will fall down. So here these 3 points will come down. And when this flies lighters at 370 degrees Celsius, the first product, the lighters will travel towards upwards. At 300 Celsius degrees, the heavy liquids will fall down. It is called a downcomer. So once it comes to a downcomer, there is a nozzle and valve and pipeline. So through this nozzle, it will be draft. Okay. Once it is traveling through this nozzle, it will be transferred to this product is fuel oil. First product is fuel oil from the bottom first product. This will be transferred to the fin fan coolers, similarly to the storage tanks. If go upwards, 150 degrees Celsius, petrol will come. Through the downcomer, it will draw and transfer to the fin fan coolers. From the fin fan coolers, it will go to the storage tanks. Similarly, at 30 degrees Celsius, butane and propane gases will be produced and will be transferred to the gas storage tanks. You can say spheres. Okay. From the spheres and these individual storage tanks, once it is stored at the normal temperature, they will transfer to the marketing purpose. That means where petrol bunks are there, some industries are required, kerosene, diesel, fuel oil, petrol, and gases. According to the demand, according to the requirement, they will transfer to the individual customers through pipelines and different transportation methods. Already we have discussed this about transportation methods. Is it clear, my friends? Any doubt? Please contact me. I will clarify to you. And as I told you in the previous videos, wow, whatever all the videos I am preparing, it is giving some information, a basic information to work in the oil and gas industry, especially for junior mechanical and process engineers. Types of trays. You see how many types of trays are there? 5 types of trays. Okay. As we discussed earlier, in the columns, we have seen some trays. These trays numbers varies up to 32 numbers in one fractionation column, maximum. Or sometimes less, sometimes more also. It depends on, again, length of the column, process requirements, specifically we should understand. So now come to the point. Number one is sieve tray. Number two is wall tray. Let us see these pictures also in next slide, coming up. Number three, bubble cap trays. Baffle trays. Real flow trays. These different types of trays, during design point, they will fix which level, which elevation, at which temperature this can be used. Okay. So, based on that, they will fix the trays at different elevations. Not completely one type of trays will be there. There was the column. All 32 trays are not similar one type. There are different types of trays like this. 32 numbers will be installed. Maybe more, maybe less also. This is just information I am giving you. Whenever you are going for an interview, they will ask you, what is the fractionation column? You can say the answer. How many types of trays are there? These types of trays are there. What types of trays are there? Then you can tell this names. And sieve tray. Before going to further slides, I will tell you one thing. Any trace, any internals, maybe columns, maybe fractions, columns, maybe reactors. Okay, with high temperatures, they will select the material. The shell material would be alloy steel or P9, something high corrosion resistance material they will select. Depends on the person. And as per the section 2 materials. Okay, ASN is section 2. And any internals, maybe trays, maybe support girders. Okay, any steel structure inside the process column. These are called 400 series stainless steel material. Okay, this is 400 series stainless steel material. You cannot use 300 series material. Example, 312, 316, 314, 315, 312, 308, 309. These SS materials you cannot use as internals. Especially 400 series material is used for all of internal claddings, wall claddings. Many walls are there which are operating at high elevations, high temperatures, and source services, suite services. It depends on the requirement of the process. They will select the materials. Just the basic important point about materials I am telling you. Remember, all columns will be designed based on the SOAR or suite service. Based on that, they will select the material. Example material, you can say P9 material or LST material. Like this, you can say answer. And trace, internals, any internals. It may be walls, cladding, columns cladding, or trace, girders, which are using internal process area at different elevated temperatures will be used 400 series construction material. You keep in mind why I am telling repeatedly, it is the most important questions in refineries whenever you are going to attend for the shutdown activities interviews, especially standard companies are there, very good companies. In India, you can find Reliance, in HPCL, BPCL, okay, Oil India, Indian Oil Corporation. Abroad, if you go to abroad, in Bahrain, BAPCO, Kuwait, KNPC, many countries, many refineries are there. Wherever you go in the world, the same things you have to answer. Your answer should be in line with the international working culture. So, this is called sieve tray. Sieve tray, this is a wear plate. Liquid will come from bottom to upwards, it will travel. From this wear, heavy liquid will come to the downcomer. This is the downcomer. From the downcomer, it will go to the nozzle, as I discussed in the previous slide. Next, wall type trays. See, this is wall type trays. Maybe wall type or any tray, the flow will be same condition. Lightweight, liquids at different temperatures will fly upwards, will travel upwards. Heavy liquids at this temperature, it will settle in the tray. From the weigh tray, it will come down. From weigh plate, it will come down and passes through this and come to the downcomer. From the downcomer, it will go to the nozzle. Okay. You can see this. Condensed liquid overflows from the weigh. Vapor rises and pressure through holes or walls in trays like this. So it depends on temperature and pressure. These two parameters are most important in the operating conditions. This is third, wall type trays. These are wall type trays. Function is remain same. This is weigh plate. From the weigh, it will go to the downcomer. Same time, same thing. Okay. Depends on temperatures and produce different products and will transfer to the respective product columns via pipe. Like this, you can see. This is bubble cap trays. See, bubble cap tray. Really small weigh plate is there. From this weigh plate, it will come down to the downcomer. From the downcomer, it goes to the pipe. As usual, as I discussed in my earlier slides. This is what about bubble cap tray. Now we are talking about baffle tray. Baffles tray. This is called baffle tray. You see this? Different holes are there. Very small where will be there. You can see that. Okay. Yes, my friends. This is dual flow tray. This is called dual flow tray. See? Different dual plates are there. This is weigh, small weigh. Okay. Now we'll talk about packed column. This is a packed column. This is feed device, random packings, structured packing. We will discuss in the next slide. Liquid redistributors. Liquid distributor, see, from the distributor, okay, different products are will enter inside, different products, only one product will enter inside, different products will go outside. Support plates. What for support? The structure packing. Structured packing. This is vapor distributor, fractionation structures. So this is what about packed column. You can see structured packing. This is the structured packing. It may be in different materials. Okay. It will fasten with one strip also. Okay. So this is important. Every packed column, this type of packed structural packing will be there. Thank you. Your knowledge is your asset. Please try to understand. Anyone having doubts, if you are not satisfied, let me know. I will respond to individuals. You can write in comment box. Okay. Whatever the doubt you are having, I will respond to individuals. Maybe it may take a couple of days time, that's all, or few hours. So please support me and encourage me by subscribing my channel. Certainly, I will prepare more videos. I'll come up with very good videos which are useful. And all videos are not covered much theory. Only practical problems, how to encounter the practical problems, how to attend the interviews. For this purpose, for many engineers can learn and attend the interview, work safely in the oil and gas industry. Please subscribe my channel, share my channel, write comments. Have a wonderful day. Thank you very much. Okay, my friends.